Now, my wife and I take our palm trees very seriously. We got the little 5-foot ones, but we wanted the 7-foot one just to kind of cap it all off. Now, you'll notice that all of my leaves are not up straight like this, like they just came in a box. That's because my wife got really excited when she saw this in the mail and started bending the leaves ahead of time. So we'll do one or two of them just to show you how it does work. But this is essentially the palm tree. It does come with a couple of surprises, so don't go anywhere. This right here and your palm tree is together. Now, before I show you a couple of other little things, the way to make the palm fronds kind of curve downward is just to kind of give them a little bend and work your way out to the end of the frond. And each time you look at it, you can decide whether or not you think you've got it doing the palm tree little droop thing there. So I'll start with a straight one here. You probably won't see it that well, but I'm going to try to help it a little bit. I'm going to give it a little bend right at the beginning. A bit more as I work out. And there we go. We got the bend on that one. And then you simply work your way around the tree. You'll notice that the palm fronds kind of work their way back in an order. And before you know it, you've got yourself something that looks like a palm tree. Now, for those two surprises I told you about. This palm tree comes with its own coconuts. Now, don't crack these open thinking you're going to get coconut milk out of them, because you're not. However, they do add a nice little touch. And you can hang these however you want. You can put them up higher. You can set them in the middle. For now, mine are going to be drooping right there as though you could pluck them from the tree. It also comes with this little package of moss that you can place around the palm tree as you see fit. You can sort of lay it out like a skirt or put it around the palm tree in a different direction. There's really endless ways you can make this work. And if you're a guy watching this, just let your wife do it. It adds just the perfect amount of Caribbean tropical feel to our front deck, and we'll do the same for the inside of the house this winter. Now, I know you'll think I'm crazy when I say this, but I've seen people do it, and they can actually pull it off. You can take these palm trees, bring them down onto the front yard in the spring or summer, dig a hole in the ground, and plant these trees into the ground. Now, not going to grow, but they actually do look lifelike enough that they give the yard a beautiful tropical feel. If you love palm trees or just want that feeling in your home, these beautiful artificial tropical palm trees are the way to go. Go nuts.